Hey guys, I have taken this problem from CSIR Net Life Science Group. In this problem, we have to find the chances that couple fifth one and fifth two will have an affected child, and we have provided this pedigree. The fifth one and fifth two child, the fifth one is A and fifth two is this one, and we have to find that the child is affected. First of all, we have to find that whether this probability is autosomal recessive, dominant, sex-linked dominant, sex-linked recessive or Y-linked. First of all, we have found that the disease is found in the offspring, but it is not found in any of the parent. That's why it is the case of recessive mode of inheritance. This is the case of recessive mode of inheritance. Now we have to find that whether it is autosomal in nature or sex-linked in nature. For this, we have to see that the fourth, second and fourth, third are affected, and both male and female offspring are affected. It means the both parents have capital A, small a genotype. If it is the case of X-linked, then what will happen? The parent father is normal and it will be carrier. But in this case, when small allele bearing X chromosome will pass to the gamete from the mother, and from father it will pass capital XC in the female, then all female would be normal in this condition, because either the genotype will be X capital C or X capital C X small c. When the mother passes capital XC allele, then the genotype will be this, and when mother passes X small c allele in the gamete, then the genotype will be this. In this case, it will be carrier, and both are normal. But what we have seen in our case, that disease is found in the female offspring also. This suggests that the pedigree is not sex-linked in nature, it is autosomal in nature. That's why this is autosomal recessive. Now we move to the next part. What is the chances that couple fifth one and fifth two will have affected child? So the third two and third three parent will pass the disease to the offspring. It means, and they are normal, that's why the genotype of these parents are heterozygous, and we have shown that third two and third three have heterozygous condition. That's why the probability of third two and third one is 1. Now the probability of four parent being an heterozygous, we have to find this probability of heterozygous of fourth AA, because when it is in heterozygous condition, then it will pass the allele to the fifth one, and then it will pass the allele to the sixth one, then the disease is found in the offspring, and we have to find the affected child. That's why the fourth four will be heterozygous. Now we will cross the third two and third three parent. That is, third two is heterozygous in nature, and third three is also a heterozygous parent. Now what will happen if we make a Punnett scale? The gametes will be capital A small a, capital A small a, capital A normal, because it is an autosomal recessive disease. It is also normal, it is also normal, but when small a gametes will fuse, then the affected child is produced. In this case, the capital A small a genotype, the third generation of fourth individual have normal condition. There are three normal, this one, and this one, and we have to find the probability of being in heterozygous. That's why there are two heterozygous out of three normal. The probability of third fourth is 2 by 3. Now the probability of fourth parent, this is fourth generation, and fourth individual. Now the probability of fourth generation of fifth individual of being an homozygous, because the individual which will be found out of the pedigree, they are normal and having homozygous dominant genotype because it is normal. This is the pedigree rule, that when we take any individual from the outside, then the genotype will be capital A for a normal, and for diseased one it will be small a, until we have not given a specified condition for this individual. That's why the probability of fourth, fifth individual will be 1. Now when crossing of fourth 4 and fourth 5 will occur, then capital A small a, capital A, that is fifth individual, that is fourth individual. In this case, when we make our Punnett square, capital A small a from this one parent and capital A from this one parent, then capital A small a. Both of the individual are normal, and we have to find the heterozygous one, that is our desired genotype. That's why in this case the fifth one individual genotype is capital A small a, and its probability is 1 by 2 because 1 is heterozygous out of 2 normal. And the probability of fifth second, it is an homozygous recessive which is already given, that's why its probability is 1. Now when we cross case, the probability of affected one is 1 by 2 because out of 2 individual 1 is affected. This is the probability of sixth first. Now we have to include all the probability in our question, that is of third 2, third 3, fourth 4, fourth 5, and fifth 1, fifth 2, and sixth one being an affected. Now the third one and third 2 probability is third 1, third 2, fourth 4, fourth 5, fifth 1, fifth 2, and sixth one being an affected. The probability of third one and third 2 is 1. Probability of fourth 4 is 2 by 3. Probability of fourth fifth is 1. Probability of fifth one is 1 by 2. Probability of fifth 2 is 1, and probability of sixth one is 1 by 2. Now 2 to 2 cancel out each other, and the answer is 1 by 6. the chances that couple fifth one and couple fifth two will have an affected child will have 1/6 probability.